Planet Dolan.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
A spider. Hickory dickory dock, a spider ran up the clock.
The clock struck 2. The flies got caught. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick.
A puddle of goo.
Oh jeez.
Hickory dickory dock, who ran up the clock? The clock struck 3. The hands will bleed.
That's just gross. Hickory dickory dock. What next? Tick.
A raven. Hickory dickory dock, the raven rose over the clock. The clock struck 4. For nevermore. Hickory dickory dock.
Frankenstein's monster!
Mommy!
Hickory dickory dock. Frankenstein climbed in a clock. The clock struck 5.
It's alive!
Hickory dickory dock. A group of bats.
I want to go home!
Hickory dickory dock. The bats flew up the clock. The clock struck 6. It's just one of Dracula's tricks. Trickery hickory dock.
Ooh, HEADCRABS!
Hickory dickory dock. Headcrabs climbed up the clock. The clock struck 7.
Their fangs armed with weapons.
Are you kidding me?
Hickory dickory dock.
An undead pharaoh.
I don't like this song.
Hickory dickory dock. The peasants built round the clock. The clock struck 8. The idle away. Hickory dickory dock.
Get me out of here, please.
The MANYICORE.
Tick tock, tick.
Hickory dickory dock. The MANYICORE lifted the clock. The clock struck 9. Fire and twine.
Nice kitty.
Hickory dickory dock. The LICH. Hickory dickory dock. The LICH had spotted the clock. The clock struck 10. They rose from the dead. Hickory dickory dock.
10,000 krakens!
10,000?
Hickory dickory dock. The krakens all bowed to the clock. The clock struck 11.
Evil blasted the heavens!
Hickory dickory dock.
Evil. CTHULHU. Hickory dickory dock, whose shadow grew over the clock. The clock struck 12.